Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to work on yet another Python code, and in this video we are going to work on an image downloader script. So the idea behind this code is to download the image from any given URL. So it could be a JPG file, it could be a PNG file. You can download it if you have the link. So that is what we have to achieve here. So before we start working on the code, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It will give me motivation to work on more videos. And right now I'm not getting enough subscribers. So please subscribe. Now let's work on the code. So first thing first is that we need to import a library, which is going to be a request library through which we are going to read the data from the URL. So like I said, we have to read the data from the URL. So first we need to get the URL through an input, which is going to be our user input. So it will simply say enter the URL. All right, now we have the URL. Now what we need to do is we need to just download the image. So as you can see here, this is a sample URL. So I just want to download this JPG file from this URL. So what do we need to do here is we will simply use request library, and using get method we will provide the URL, and then we will try to fetch the content, right? So this actually is going to contain your image file. Now we have the image with us, but the question is we have to give it a name. So to get the name, there are two things. Either the user can provide us the name that he wants to provide to this image, or we can fetch it through the URL. So if you see here, this is going to be the by default name for this image. So we can fetch it from here. Otherwise, we can ask the user to provide a name. So let's do that. So I'll ask user, do you want to rename the file? Let's do image. So T or F, T as in true, F as in false, right? So whatever he provides, he can provide in lowercase or uppercase. Either way, I'll just use upper here, and then I'll store it, file rename, file rename input. All right. Now if the user has provided T here as in true, then I want a different name for this file. Otherwise I will just fetch it from the URL. So if file equals to T as in true, in that case I will just say name equals to input, name of the image, else I just have to fetch after this last index of your slash, and I'll just have everything till the end. So to do that, simply I'll do a substring of your URL. So URL and then URL dot rfind, which is your last index of slash, and then +1, because I don't want to include this in the name as well, right? And then till the end. Now we have the name. Now let's rename with whatever we have. So with open name with write permission, let's do as handler, then handler dot write image, and then I'll simply say print downloaded image successfully. And here we can also provide the name if you want. So let's say name, and now let's try this. So run python file in terminal, enter a URL. So I'll just copy this, enter. Do you want to rename the file? So I'll just say false for now, and here it says not it. Okay, my bad. So all right, now let's run it again. Enter URL. Do you want to rename the image? False. And downloaded image.jpg successfully. So let's open this. All right, so it's working fine. Now let's try with true. Enter true. Name of the image Lord Hanuman.jpg. Downloaded successfully. Let's open it. It's working fine. So this was all that I wanted to do in this video. If there is any doubt, do let me know in the comment section of this video. If you have any suggestion, also let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make a video on a certain topic, then also let me know on the comment section. I know I'm not getting enough time to work on the videos that are being suggested by you guys, but please be patient. I'm just trying to make as many as possible. So this is it for this video. I really hope that you learned something new from this one. So I hope that we will meet in some another video. Till then, stay happy, keep learning, and bye bye.